Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling Airplay on the Roku and making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. Once done, update Roku firmware so Airplay is available and stable. Make sure Airplay is switched on in settings Apple Airplay and HomeKit, and note the Roku's display name. You'll pick that on your phone or Mac. While you're here, check your network band. If devices are on different bands, move them to the same one to prevent discovery issues. Now you initiate the connection from your source device. On an iPhone, open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring, then tap the Roku name. On a Mac, use the Airplay icon in the menu bar and pick Roku. When the Roku displays a pairing code, enter it on your phone or computer to complete the handshake. If you only want to stream a video, use the app's Airplay button rather than full mirroring to save bandwidth and preserve native resolution. You wrap up by stopping mirroring or disconnecting Airplay when finished. Tap Stop Mirroring on your iPhone or disable Airplay on the Mac. If video stutters or audio is out of sync, make sure Wi-Fi isn't congested, move devices closer to the router, or switch bands. If the Roku doesn't appear, restart the Roku and your source device, reboot the router, and check that network features like MDNS or UPnP aren't blocked by the router. This usually resolves discovery failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.